S5T FX, and they're all number 2 125 pins. And it's there. Not as bad as an M horn, but. And this was a request that I had for a full orifice S5T with the 37, 44, and 25 reversed on a long hood forward. So in my mind it would be the 31 and the 55 reversed on the short hood. And I got a short hood. I guess you'd call it long hood forward if I was backing up. Okay. It sounds pretty good in the cab. Once again, I'm not going to know until I listen to it on the video. Everybody, have a blessed day. God bless America. And pray for this country to go back to its sanity and quit killing people for no reason at all, just because. You gotta fix it. It's wrong. Pray to Jesus. Everybody, stop praying. God bless.